C25 studio. This is Eyewitness News at 6.
Indiana Governor Eric Holcomb's new restrictions took effect on Sunday, and local health officials are cracking down on businesses who are not complying. Thank you for joining us. I'm Shelley Kirk.
Hello, I'm Brad Bird. There have been 100 COVID-19 deaths in Vanderburgh County now. As the death toll rises, health restrictions are getting stricter, and so now is the enforcement. Eyewitness News' Brandon Bartlett reports.
These pictures obtained by Eyewitness News show a large number of people packed into what appears to be two Evansville bars, Lamasco's and Bud's, both on Franklin Street. We questioned the owners of both bars about the pictures. They told us the pictures aren't recent, although a post on Facebook indicates these pictures at Bud's were taken just 2 weeks ago on Halloween night. Comments under the pictures call the crowd that night crowded and packed. Someone even writing, "We hadn't seen a crowd like this since before the shutdown." The health department says it's common for people to send them pictures and videos showing large crowds at different businesses.
When we do reach out and try to educate and work with them and follow up.
Eyewitness News also obtained a cease and desist letter written to the Franklin Street Tavern, citing big crowds accumulating at the bar. That letter was written using the Vanderburgh County Health Department's letterhead, although officials at the health department won't confirm or deny it's their document. A source with knowledge of the situation confirmed the pictures and documents are part of the health department's investigation. Businesses defying COVID-19 regulations are fined $250. Health department officials did confirm the Hornets Nest on Petersburg Road was recently shut down.
We were working with them on all the different protocols that they needed to follow as far as mask mandate and other things. So just the process that we have.
Well, the health department was working with the restaurant to train its staff on health guidelines. The restaurant posted on Facebook that they were closed for remodeling.
We're satisfied that they're doing everything they need to do to really make sure people are doing, not only their staff, but their patrons, doing everything they need to do.
The new guidelines in Governor Eric Holcomb's executive order are stricter for community members than restaurant and bar owners. Anyone having events larger than 50 people can be given more than just a court order.
The governor's order and basically what they included in that is enforcement through the state excise, but also Homeland Security. We'll be working with them here locally.
Businesses are exempt from that event cap, but they do need to have a system in place enforcing mask mandates and social distancing. Brandon Bartlett, Eyewitness News.
And with this new executive order, restaurants and bars are still expected to promote social distancing and mask wearing unless someone is eating or drinking.
Well, Vanderburgh County reported 8